Is julle reg om 'n speletjie te speel? Om te staan in Sepedi is go Emma. So wanneer ek sê Emma, wil ek hê julle moet staan. En om te sit in Sepedi is go Dula. So as ek sê Dula, wil ek hê julle moet sit. Is julle reg? Hier gaan ons.
Sepedi daarop.
Emma. Dula.
Dula.
Emma. Dula.
Dula.
Baie mooi. Nou gaan ons 'n woord bysit. Om te loop in Sepedi is sepela. So as ek sê sepela, wil ek hê julle moet almal op een plek loop. Is julle reg?
Sepedi daarop.
Emma. Dula. Sepela.
Sepela.
Baie mooi. Nou gaan ons 'n woord bysit. Gorobala beteken om te slaap in Sepedi. So wanneer ek sê robala, moet julle almal gaan slaap. Kom ons sit al die woorde saam.
Sepedi daarop.
Emma. Dula. Sepela.
Sepela.
Robala. Baie mooi. Nou gaan ons dit weer doen, maar hierdie keer gaan ons dit vinnig doen. Is julle reg?
Sepedi daarop.
Emma. Dula. Sepela.
Sepela.
Robala. Emma. Dula. Sepela.
Sepela.
Robala. Let's quickly take a look at the board game. First, you roll out the game mat. Then, attach the verb wheel onto the background. It needs to be nice and loose in order to spin easily. Next, fold and tear the perforated sheets to make 3 packs of cards. Red for vocabulary, yellow for phrases, and blue for themes. Then, just follow the rules and have fun. Remember, you can keep adding vocabulary, phrases, and themes to the game as the students progress. So what makes this board game special? Not only can it be used as a revision tool, but also as an assessment tool. It incorporates total physical response, and there is no limit to adding new vocabulary. Finally, you will see that the 4 levels of the board game correspond with the 40 lessons of the syllabus. In other words, every level of the game represents 10 lessons of the syllabus. Once the students reach lesson 10 in the syllabus, they can start playing the board game and start revising the language learned. And that's it! You are now ready to facilitate these lessons. We hope that you have found this training video useful. For more information or technical support, email us at info@abutisyllabus.com. From the Abuti team, we'll see you soon. Happy teaching! Goodbye!